Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. So for example, we have this website and we've just created a bookmark of it. You know, the easiest way to create a bookmark is to use the shortcut key Control D. Alright, use Control D and you can just name the bookmark over here, and you can put it under a given folder if you want. Click on the drop down and select a given folder, or you create a new folder. So maybe you can create a new folder and you can call it anything. My research, for example, my research, and then you save it. So let's say we'll bookmark this also. Alternatively, you can come to the three dots over here, you click on it and you come to bookmarks and you say bookmark this page, which is the same as using Control D. This is the name, Adobe Photoshop 2022. Save it with this name. Okay, so we can save. Now we can access and export it. So to access our bookmarks, all we need to do is to come over to the same three dots. We come to bookmarks and we come to the bookmark manager over here. So you click on the bookmark manager and it's going to open on a separate tab, and we can see what we have bookmarked. We bookmark this, we bookmark this, and we bookmark this. Okay, so these are some few bookmarks for other bookmarks that are bookmarked, and you can easily export this outside of Chrome, and you can use it on other computers. So to do that, you just need to come to this last three dots over here. So you click on it and you're free to sort by name. You're free to add new bookmark from here also. You are free to add a new folder or import bookmarks, but for this case we want to export our bookmarks. Okay, so click on export bookmarks and we specify the location we want to specify. Okay, so let's say we are saving it on this document and we put it on the same name, same date. Usually the default is the name and the date, so let's say we are using the same. So click on save. You can see we've now exported our bookmarks. So we can go to the document and we'll see it in our document. We can see it over here as our bookmark. When you click on it directly, it's going to open to this location, and at any given point you click on each one of them, it's going to take you to your website. To import a bookmark to a given Chrome or to a given computer differently, because you can copy it in a drive or somewhere and then take it somewhere. To import a bookmark, all you need to do is to come to the three dots over here, you come to bookmarks, and then you come to bookmark manager to bring you here. So you come to the same place, these three dots, you say import bookmarks this time around. So you navigate to the location where you saved it and you can see it over here. You just click on it and then you import it. So importing it will give it a name. You import everything in one file. So when you double click on this file, you're going to see your imported bookmarks over here. So you can import and export on Google Chrome. This is just a simple way on how to import and export your bookmarks on Google Chrome. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.